Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into today's content, let me introduce myself. Who am I? A designer with over 7 years of experience? True. Someone who is in love with PowerPoint? Definitely true. And that's the topic of my today's video. Let's just stop creating boring PowerPoint presentations and make them interesting using the features that we have available in PowerPoint. So without any further ado, let me walk you through the process of creating these amazing PowerPoint slides in PowerPoint. Let's first add a blank slide, and over that, let's add the cover image and the text. On the next slide, let's add the second image, and post that, let's add the black base over which we want to create our right-hand side design. Let's add the white shape as well to support this. I have chosen these two shapes. You can choose whatever you like. Then let's add the number followed by the heading of the slide, Geomagnetic Storm Impact. Then the subtitle and key analysis from who are the presenters for this presentation. Let's add a line to give this a typographic hierarchy. Now let's copy this all and go back to our previous slide, paste it over here. Next, let's shift press and drag this towards the right. Keep it a bit on the slide, as you can see towards the top. Let's move this white section further towards the right so that it feels like it's following the black part, which will give it a nice animation. Select the image that we have on the first slide and bring it to the front. Next, if we check the animation, see how nicely it's all gelling. Next, let's add this yellow bar to add the oomph to the animation and move it towards the top so that it aligns well to the angle of the black one. Next, let's add animation to this line animation. It's coming from the top. Let's adjust the angle by clicking on the red dot and matching it with the angle of the black base that we have created. Make the animation appear after previous, and let's check this out. Gorgeous. Now we have the first two slides created. For the third slide, copy paste the image that we have used on the second slide and select all the right hand side elements that we have and paste those on the third slides. Move those towards the right so that morph can happen nicely. Applying the morph over here, and see, now it's disappearing towards the right. Time to add the text for the third slide, and let's add animation to it. For that, let's first select the first triangle and apply wipe. Property appear from left. Then select the text. Again, apply wipe to it. Keep the property from left. Then select the line. Same. Wipe appear from left, and do this for all the other text that we have in the order that I have told you. Now select all the animations that you have added and go towards the top and ensure that it's after previous. Now if you check, everything will work so smoothly and nicely for your presentation. Hold on, there's just one catch. Text on this slide is not so readable, so let's add a gradient, black gradient, and properties are as such as you can see on the screen. For the first pointer, transparency is 100. For the second one, transparency is 36. Angle you can adjust as per your liking and requirement. For me, 190 tends to work well, so I'm keeping it at 190. Now send this to back and then select the image and again send this to back. Now the animation is all set for presenting on screen. This looks so clean and the content is now readable as well. So stop making boring presentations and start experimenting with animations and the other features that we have in PowerPoint to create these gorgeous slides that have a lasting impact on your audience and helps them memorize the content for a longer time. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Until next time, hasta la vista, chiro.